Welcome to Danny's Den, and today we will dive into the issues of the day regarding love, parenting, sports, and/or pop culture. Let's chat. Picture this: pancakes on the griddle, kids in Eagles jerseys, the TV on, and the other parent, who usually shows up for half of game day, has gone quiet. Texts unread, calls unanswered, blocked. Your 8-year-old looks up and asks, "Where's Dad?" Your chest tightens. That moment is why we're talking today.
In the next 10 minutes, I'll give you concrete steps you can take right away. How courts tend to see ghosting, what kinds of evidence matter, short de-escalating messages you can actually send, simple ways to keep game day rituals, think Eagle Sundays or Yankees pizza nights, and I'll close with a quick music pick to help reset family time. My main point is simple. Protect the kids' routine first. Legal remedies second. Treat preservation of rituals as your North Star.
Let's start with plain legal basics. Courts don't respond to hurt feelings. They look at behavior that affects a child's stability. If a co-parent cuts off communication in a way that disrupts parenting time, that pattern becomes relevant. Start documenting immediately. Listen, what helps in court? Concrete proof. Timestamps and call logs. Screenshots that show a blocked number, a simple calendar that marks missed handoffs, even one witness who saw it happen. That neutral diary can be surprisingly persuasive because it shows consistent impact rather than an emotional blow-up.
If communication is cut off and safety or custody is at risk, act fast. Emergency tools exist: temporary orders, enforcement motions, and in repeated cases, contempt filings. That's a court punishment for ignoring orders. Those steps aren't instant upgrades. They work best when you bring clear, dated records to the table. And remember, family law varies by state, so use this as a toolkit and check with a local attorney or legal clinic to map it to your situation.
Now, the Monday morning part everyone needs. The actual messages you can send without escalating things. Keep it short, factual, and kid-focused. Try, "I'm at the usual spot for pickup. Are you coming?" Or, "Our son asked about you. Can you confirm your plans so I can explain to him?" Short and steady beats long and furious. So, what do you say when your chest tightens? Breathe. Name what the kid needs, a routine, then speak to that. If you need a one-line script when you're holding a kid who's worried, try this. "I know you miss them. I'll tell them you said hello, and we'll stick to our routine today." Short and steady beats long and furious.
Practical handoff tips. Create redundancy. If Sunday Eagles morning or a Yankees pizza night matters, plan backups so a missed show doesn't undo months of stability. Use shared calendars, Google Calendar, or parenting apps like Our Family Wizard or Cozy, and confirm plans 24 hours ahead. Choose neutral, public pickup spots, and when you can, arrange a witness or bring a third party. If the other parent is unreachable, a trusted family member can temporarily step in and the day still happens. Tech can protect routines. Record or stream games so a missed live moment can be watched together later. Set up a FaceTime or video watch if the absent parent wants to join remotely. Share a playlist link so music stays part of ritual even if someone's not there physically. Let's chat. If you're thinking about recordings, check your state's consent rules. Some places require both party consent for audio. When unsure, favor written records and screenshots over covert recordings. Here are 2 copyable templates. 1. "Hi, I'm at the exchange spot for 1 p.m. Please confirm if you're on your way so I can plan the afternoon." 2. "I want our daughter to have her Yankees pizza night. If you can't make it today, can you confirm if you'd like to switch weekends or join by video?" Short, specific, kid-focused. They build a factual record and keep the tone productive. A brief, real-life example. Last season, my sister's ex went silent 2 Saturdays before their son's Eagles ritual. Instead of a showdown, my sister cued the kids' pregame playlist, invited a neighbor in team colors, and FaceTimed the dad at kickoff. The kids still got the music, the jokes, and the look he loves. The dad called back later, not to apologize first, but curious, and that opened a calmer line of communication the next month. Little creative fixes can buy breathing room until paperwork catches up.
If you can protect a kid's ritual today, you've won more than you think.
Quick recap before we go. Document everything. Use short, neutral texts that focus on the child. Build redundancy into rituals with backups and shared calendars. Use tech to keep people connected. And if the behavior repeats or you feel unsafe, consult a local family law attorney about enforcement. This is general information, not legal advice. Jurisdiction matters, so get local counsel for case-specific guidance.
If you'd like the sample scripts, show notes include copy and paste messages, a checklist for documenting missed handoffs, and links to parenting apps that make shared calendars easy. Also, if you have a specific legal issue, send me a direct message or email me at danielle@thelegalassistancecenter.net to book a free 30-minute consultation to see if I can help. For a music pick to help reset family time, cue up Alicia Keys' If I Ain't Got You. A calm, connective moment after a rough exchange can do more than you expect.
Thanks for listening to Danny's Den. If this episode helped, please subscribe so you don't miss future tips on law, love, sports, and culture. Drop a comment with questions or scenarios you'd like covered. Check the show notes for the links and scripts. And as always, let's chat.